level for this coming week. So we're gonna do a quick breakdown. So on the monthly perspective, you're seeing gold has been in this bullish move to the upside. You see it dropped the previous all-time high, and now it's acting as a support. So the resistance now acts as support in the monthly. Then when you break it down to the weekly, we're seeing EMAs are still pointing to the upside, creation of high highs, high lows, testing the break-in resistance and support. Look at that, and also it's testing the EMA, which acts as a dynamic support. And when you break it down to the daily, this is where you see structure clearly. So you see, okay, price went to the upside, then we had this liquidation level here, which price broke the downside test, and we had this big meltdown. And when you look, we see this low to this high. Price is currently respecting the 61.8, and you see we have this trend line here. So we have this low, high, low, high, low. Then when you connect these dots, we see price is perfectly respecting, testing here once, and also currently kind of testing here. So there's so much upside for gold, since it's respecting the Fibonacci, and also it's respecting the trend line, and also it's respecting the previous resistance, which acts now as a support around here. And when you look at the daily chart, you see, okay, we have this liquidation level, which is around 1910, which is, you see, price came to the downside, rejected, went to the upside, then we see rejected, rejected, went to the upside, and also rejected here. So this is a key level to have an eye on. And also when you break this down to so the other thing is daily you're seeing EMAs are pointing sideways, which shows we're in a consolidation. So that's totally fine. So it means price is bouncing between one high, one low, and one high. So when you break it down to the 4-hour time frame, what are we seeing? So it's saying that we said monthly, weekly, daily, all of the structures are still maintained in the upside. EMAs are pointing upwards, except in the daily it's sideways, which is consolidation. So we're seeing price currently consolidating. So we said, okay, we have this trend line which respect the upward trend, and also price is respecting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So it means price is still going to continue to the upside. And when you look closely to the 4-hour time frame, okay, we see price rejected here, went to the upside, rejected, 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 went to the upside, and also came last week to test here. And when you look closely, we have the 200 EMA here, which acts as a dynamic support, also got rejected. So we have multiple confirmations. We have the Fibonacci, we have the trend line, we have the 200 EMA, which is key. And also this is a key liquidity level, which is talking about. We see like this area here. So we have this psychological level, and also we have this um, demand area, where you see before this accumulation phase, before this bull run. So we see price also can test. And also the good thing, we're seeing a lot of rejections here, which is also rejecting with the 200 EMA. And when you break this down to the 1-hour time frame, what are you seeing? Okay, the other thing, when you look here, so after price, this is when price acted as support. We see went to the upside, tested the liquidity level, then went up, created another high, low, high, then it came and did a complete retest. So when you look at here, we had this consolidation, then price again came into this territory of consolidation. So we're gonna see price consolidate here this coming week around this level. So still good. You could be trading within this range here, and in case if it breaks, then we're gonna look up around like 1960 or 70, which is a key liquidity level, because you see, okay, we had this liquidity level, price broke to the upside, and also came and broke here. You see multiple um, institution adding positions here for short. So this is good indication. So currently price respects the 61.8. Now it's also respecting the 50. So much upside. So on Monday, tomorrow, what I'm expecting is I want something kind of something like this, at least somewhere around here for my upside targets around there. So that's what I'm expecting for this week. Anywhere around here, I'll be looking for good opportunities set up. So good, and make sure you just manage your risks So I'll be looking for long positions around there to that target. Stop loss will be kind of tight. Yeah. So wish you guys the best. Uh, yeah. So that's the breakdown. Because price is still creating high highs in daily, weekly, monthly. H4 we're seeing kind of consolidation. H1, yeah, we're seeing prices consolidating within this consolidation level. So we're gonna see upside targets. Nice trade. Make sure your stop loss is way below, but I'll get rid of this one. I just want you to monitor. Like if you see good price came to good liquidation levels, then went to the upside. Very good setup. Thank you.